Morning, everybody. This is Amit Dubey from Tech Mahindra. I welcome you all over here. Thanks for providing this opportunity. So I think many of the things which my just previous presenter has said, I'm going to narrate few of the similarities over there. Maybe we could have a step and a step ahead, but I would start narrating you my story from a real life incident of my life. One fine day I was just sitting and having a coffee with one of my friend at his home. And his daughter entered into the room with quite panic situation. She was shivering and she was scared. And she said that a couple of guys were following her on the highways. Initially they knocked on her car and then they start following her on the highway for around 10 kilometers. She was quite scared. Why didn't you call us? Her father asked an obvious question. Yeah, I called mom, but she didn't pick up the phone and then I was scared and I just ran. We were all shocked and stunned because this could happen with anybody. I'm sure I'm not telling you any new thing, at least about Delhi NCR region, because many of you might have faced the situations at some or other day. So security is really a very, very important factor of everybody's life since their birth. And we need to be conscious about it. Be it a girl, be it a kid, be it an old person, be it a young man, anybody could be in this situation at any time when they need help from number of people. So we took this challenge and we developed an application which could give a tool to everyone to seek help in such situation by just pressing a button or waving a phone, and this can be broadcasted instantly to a number of people. Now, as he said, you can press a button, you can shake it, or we did a step ahead that if you have a phone and you can make AMS shape like this, and it can send an SMS, or you can make a circle. So it understands gestures also. You can make any gesture. So it is little more like you have many options if you are in a difficult situation, so you can use it. But beyond that, we did not stop it over there. I'm not going to tell you application or solutions or technology behind it or something. Rather, we took it as a movement that let's not give it up. Let's fight back. So fight back is a movement started by Tech Mahindra. And I invite all of you to join that movement to make our life secure. So we have a solution which has a server and which has a client application. It's not only mobile application, rather we run 24/7 a server, which is tracking this mobile phone whenever you want. And it has many features inside. So not every time you need to be like pressing button or panicking or creating this SMS to a number of people. Because for different scenarios, you want to use this application differently. So we covered few scenarios. For example, a girl, and she's working in a BPO, she starts from her office, or she starts from her home at early morning or maybe late night. At that time, she just launch this application. At that time, the mobile phone will start uploading her location every few seconds to the server. And this can be tracked by either her parents, colleagues, or office staff, that okay, she has reached safely to her home. In another situation, when she really senses something like, okay, something wrong is happening, or somebody is chasing her, or somebody is following her, at that time, if she presses this button. So as my earlier presenter has said, this application broadcasts this message to n number of people first, along with her location details. It also sends the nearest police station details. Nearest police station details along with the SHO's numbers and all, so that anybody who has received this SMS actually starts some rescue operation and they can help her was reaching towards her. It also published this to her Facebook wall, Twitter, and through Google Mapping. So anyway, features you have already seen, so I'm not going to invest time on it. The better thing is, like, we have also started a process of integrating it with the police department. We integrated it with police control room. And there they run this server, so whenever anybody presses this button, they get a siren over here, along with the location of that girl or victim, and they start aligning the nearest PCR van to that location. So this has been started already with few police departments. Moreover, this application also gives you a visibility of the vulnerable areas, like from where how many such alerts are coming. You can see the red spots. These are the real picture because we are receiving these alerts from India. So these are the spots where most of the alerts are coming. And then police can start they're beating or patrolling accordingly. They can plan it accordingly. And even we inform this thing to our users. Okay, when you are passing through these areas, please be safe, because these are the areas from where we get most of the alerts. So we are using the technology which is anyway available in the mobile phone, the sensors, GPS, SMS, GPRS, everything we are using. We also have a facility to see it on a server, the live alerts, movement tracking, and visibility of vulnerable places. The application is available almost on all smartphones, Android, Symbian, BlackBerry, iPhone, and Windows phones. The solution was appreciated and awarded at many times. It was awarded by National Telecom Award 2012 in VAST category. We were also awarded by NASSCOM recently for the best application by women's security and all. So these are few of the recognitions by various media houses. It's being accessed from 81 countries right now, from 595 cities. In India, 22 states and 100 plus cities are accessing it. We already have 32,000 plus downloads. This is the figure since till January, and 42,000 plus registered users across the world. The integration with the police department is already going on. This is in our roadmap. Few of the police control room, we have already provided this access and they have started using it. The application has already been used for employee security by Qualcomm and Microsoft. So we have given a presentation and they started using it. They are offering this application to their employee, and their office staff monitors their applications whenever they want. So guys, with this note, again, I would like to invite you all for this movement, because this is a corporate social responsibility for Tech Mahindra. We are not, after this recent Delhi incidents, we made it free of cost. Initially, it was a paid application. There was a business model around it. But then we realized that such kind of services we are responsible for security, and there's a basic thing. So it has been now available free of cost on all app stores. You can get it, download from there. You can create your user account and it can be used. We are also providing live server access. We are maintaining it from Tech Mahindra. So they are funding it properly. So I invite you all for this movement. And again, let's not give it up. Let's fight back. Thank you. Any question, please?
Not looking it at just as an app. It's also have your backend server where data is there, and also about the fact that it's a movement rather than an application. However, such applications, they have sensitive information. You were telling about a girl stepping out in BPO and the roads that she's taking. So data security is essential part. So how do you take care of intrusion detection, of making sure that the wrong people are not getting her location?
Exactly. This is a very, very important question, and we had to work a lot to secure it. Because, again, this is on her wish when she is asking somebody to track her. So she is pressing the button, the data is available on the server, but it is not accessible to anybody who is not supposed to access it. The benefit of the server accessing is that even though somebody snatches her mobile phone or breaks her, the data is there. An alert has already been sent. And server is still, unless until it is stopped from the server side, it is still pushing this information. So you need to take care of this thing, because we are catering a scenario where normally if somebody is attacking you, they'll take your phone away very soon. So the girl would have a very limited time to make this action or press a button or shake it or anything. She would not, maybe she will realize very late that something is going to happen. So server part is really very, very important, because she has already started this application when she is going through these vulnerable areas and she is doubting on someone. So that's why it is important. We have really made it three-layer security on this server. And this has been accessed and approved first. When you are registering a particular person for accessing the server, not this message you can broadcast to anybody, but the server, because it is having your historical data also. This is being accessed only by very few authorized people. Those are being passed through these three-layer securities. So there is a process through which they authorized when they register those users. And whenever they are accessing it, they have to validate their identity. So this is some mechanism that is being used when a Microsoft or Qualcomm is using it.
Thank you, Amit.
Thank you.
That was good.